Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that is not a shortcut but the only true path to achievement, that is, hard work. We often see success stories and assume it was luck or talent, but that's a myth. True success is the result of consistent effort, dedication, and hard work. Think of Thomas Edison, who said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." That perspiration is hard work. It's about showing up every day, even when it's difficult. It's about putting in the hours to master a skill, like a musician practicing for an hour or a student studying diligently. Hard work teaches us invaluable lessons. It builds discipline, patience, and determination. It shows us how to learn from our failures and use them as stepping stones to success. Without effort, goals remain just dreams. Hard work, however, makes the impossible possible. So, here we have to highlight the word impossible, that it itself say that I am possible. Hard work is the key to success, requiring dedication, discipline, and continuous efforts, not just talent or luck. Consistent hard work builds resilience, confidence, and skill needs to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Successful individuals from historical figures to everyday students all rely on persistent effort and a strong work ethic to turn their dream into reality. So, in a nutshell, I just want to tell you that let's commit to giving our best. Let's embrace challenges, learn setbacks also, and stay focused on our goals. Remember, hard work beats talent. When talent doesn't work hard, put in the efforts, stay committed, learn and earn a success. Thank you so much. Let my words or my lines touch your soul.
us.